Alright, y'all boys, so man, welcome back to another video, bro. But this video is a sad video, bro, because the M5 competition is misfiring, bro. It's dirty. Like, don't get me wrong, bro. I really been neglecting this car, bro, because I really got my eye on getting a new car soon. So, with that being said, I kind of just took it out my mind, like, all right, bro, you know what? Fuck it, we just finna get a new car soon. Damn. We finna get a new whip soon. And I ain't really tripping on 300 blackout, bro. If you've seen me go a long time without washing my car, just know it's about to be sold soon. But sounds normal. Hold on. It sounds normal, but I got a tire light. Drivetrain malfunction. And then when I come back here, yeah, so it's definitely not supposed to be doing that. So, as you can see, I brought it to my boy. Why they speeding this shit today? I brought it to my boy right here, bro. Y'all know Baja, good friend of mine, man. He gonna get me right. Go ahead and give me a diagnostics. And what's going on, fam? I'm finna see what the fuck they got laying around here, cause they always got some tough ass BMWs. Damn, bro. But yeah, they got this shit right. I don't know what this is. A bunch of BMWs, bro. You know, you got a BMW, you need some work done. This motherfucker does everything, bro. This nigga changed my oil in the Huracan, bro. If you can do that, you know, I can take a car apart and put that bitch back together again. But anywho, with that being said, finna get the M5 looked at, and I'm gonna catch y'all when he putting hands on it, man. No cap. Alright, bro, my man's finna come look at the M5, bro. My man's is about to take a look at the M5, bro. If I had to take a guess, I'd say it's probably one spark plug misfiring, maybe two, or maybe one coil pack. Cause at first I thought it was, I put Wawa gas in here, which I probably wasn't the smartest thing, but I was close and I wanted a sandwich. So I just put the Wawa gas in there, bro. Yeah, I thought about it. I was like, damn, that's probably what's making it do this. So then I flushed it out with Shell 93, which is recommended for BMWs if y'all did not know. And then after I kind of flushed it out a little bit, put some miles on it, it still was kind of acting funny. So I was like, all right, now it's probably something a little bit more serious than just the bad gas. So now I'm thinking, spark plug and coil pack, because it's misfiring. I can't deny that it's not misfiring. So, y'all like that? That shit's sweet. No fucking cap. Is it bad? Do it sound bad?
It feels bad. I can feel the missile.
Fuck. That shit just happened out the blue, bro. I'm talking about driving it normal, then cut it off, cut it back on. Shit fucking up. It's a scat pack right there. You about to move that? Alright, let's see what's wrong with it, man. Let's see what's wrong with the 300 blackout. Yeah, like I said, I have been plotting on getting a new car soon, bro. So I ain't even gonna trip. This is probably a good reason too. Go ahead and just get it. I really want an SUV. Probably my go-to, to be honest. All right, so we didn't got down to what's going on, and now we're trying to figure out how to fix it. So basically, it's a misfire. We came down to that conclusion a long time ago, right? But we couldn't tell which cylinder was misfiring. So it's cylinder 6. We tried all 8 cylinders. Cylinder 6 is the only one we tried, deactivated, and it basically gave us like nothing. So cylinder 6 is definitely our fuck up cylinder, and I guess we're just looking at now how to get it back doing what we're supposed to be doing. So, cylinder 6. Fuck you, cylinder 6. We'll figure that shit out though. Alright, y'all. So if y'all watching this, bro, my man's finna launch the rocket ship M340 X Drive, by the way. I know I did it. Oh shit! Damn! Yeah, I'm gonna blur it out if it can be seen too, but oh, this bitch move, bro.
Nah, that's 0 to 60.
Have you tried the M5 yet?
What, from the dig?
M5, it makes something like the V8 all-wheel drive.
Yeah, I tried my boy G Babies. His shit's pretty quick. He says the stock, but I hear the pop.
Oh yeah, so man, with that being said, bro, we on the way back to the crib. The cylinder 6 is misfiring. We're gonna go ahead and order the stuff. I'll bring it back to him. I didn't have nobody to drop me off, and I do live 30 minutes away, so I just told him I'd bring it back when I have somebody to drop it off with me, take me back, or take me wherever. This is like a 3-hour job. He said I'm not trying to wait around there for 3 hours, but shout out to Baja, man. Cool ass nigga, bro. Shout out to Brian, he's in there too. Shout out to Javine Automotives. I think that's what it's called. Fuck if I'm pronouncing it wrong. Please don't hit me. Yeah, and they cool peoples, bro. BMW's getting fixed, and it's probably gonna get sold real soon, so stay tuned for that, man. But yeah, with all that being said, I love y'all boys. Thank y'all for watching. Catch y'all ass in the next vlog, man. Gone. Peace.
Hit my line, I'm doing numbers, my city on the one. I'm my mama oldest son, I bet they feel me when I come. They know I'm the real deal, I come through dunking shit, I'm on my block like Shaquille O'Neal. Baby on the goat, no lost at all, my back against the rope. Lost my nigga off these drugs, they got me in here overloaded. Whole city know I'm chosen, but I still play with buttons. I dare nigga push my button. Don't ask me how I'm feeling, I'm none to this shit, I feel nothing. Mama's crying and niggas dying, then this shit done got real. I put my life on the line until them crackers store a deal. I'm a vulture, I got colder, but that's just how I am. So lovely, this pain, I be damn a nigga make me beat my feet. The summer hot, the feds out. I got my broom, I'm doing sleep. The gangsta sense of baby, my old lady hate she raised a G. On my Z, I watch my nigga V, he shining on the screen. I pray my niggas go lead. Shit got hot, but I'm a Florida boy, I'm used to the heat. Mama never trusty, I'm a vet for sure gon' make it home. I put pain in the song, I had some niggas do me wrong. I close that back door, I can't let it snake play it close.